Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use the Bose QuietComfort 45 and how you can connect it to your phone, and then also what are the ways how you can use Bose QuietComfort more effectively. So the first thing is that when you're gonna get it, I definitely recommend downloading the Bose Music app. So I have Android, possibly you're gonna find it on your iPhone too if you use iPhone. And when you're gonna write in Google Play, Bose app, you're going to find here the Bose Music. So let's install it too, and then I'm going to show you how we can use this. Okay, it's downloading right now. Okay, now I'm going to press open. So I'm going to connect a product. So first, I'm going to turn the Bose QuietComfort 45 on. So I'm just going to switch this button. And then you see this white light here. So connect a product, allow nearby device access, yes, and then we're gonna press allow. Now we're gonna find the device. So I'm not going to create an account, but if you want to, you can do it. I'm going to agree to all these things here. I don't want to have any notifications. And now we're just gonna wait. So we're gonna press connect. And right now our phone is connecting to the Bose QuietComfort. Now you can use it with traditional with the Bluetooth, but I like to do it with the app where you're gonna find everything. Okay, pair. Now you can change a name here, or like you can create a custom name for your headphones. And now you're gonna have the product tips here. So here you're gonna have the audio controls. So when we're gonna press this once, we're gonna play or pause. Then you're gonna have the plus and minus here for increasing or decreasing the volume. And you can skip forward if you're gonna double press. And then triple press is going to allow you to go back to the song previous one. Then you're gonna have phone calls. So when someone's going to call you, you can you can answer it with this button or end it. Then you can decline if you're just gonna hold it, this middle one. Or you can mute. Double press is going to mute. Or it's this one. So this is how we're gonna mute the microphone. So if you want to mute it, you're gonna press this one. Then you're gonna have modes here, and you can switch between modes like noise cancellation and wear mode. So when you're gonna press this button, and then you're gonna have the voice assistant. When you're gonna hold the button right here, you're gonna access voice assistant. When you're gonna have it, we're gonna have all set, get started. And here you're gonna find the battery life on your app. And you can increase or decrease the volume in an app or with your phone or just with the headphones. And then you're gonna have the modes here. So right now there's like the quiet and aware mode, but what I can do, I can press this button and it's going to switch between the quiet and aware mode. Then you're gonna have source here. If you're gonna have connected multiple devices, you're gonna find all the devices here and you can remove the devices, etc. Then you're gonna have equalizer. So here you can find the bass boost and you can play around bass reducer, treble reducer, and you're gonna play around with the equalizer here. How much you want, that's like completely up to you. And then when you have it, there are like tips here. So tips for audio control, phone calls, modes, voice assistant, and on the top right, you're gonna have settings. Here in the settings, you're gonna have like the modes, and then you're gonna have the voice prompts, and you can change the language right here to different one. And that's pretty much it about how we can use this. So again, this is how we're going to connect them. You can connect them without the app if you want to. Then also you're going to have plus and minus for the volume, skipping the track, pausing the music with this middle center button. Double press is skipping forward, triple press is going back. And then for noise cancellation, muting your microphone with calling, or I don't know for what is also this one, you can use it. So that's pretty much it about these and how we can use them. Hope I gave you a little bit of value on how we can use the Bose QuietComfort 45. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.